Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and you're getting an Ex63 error on the display and you're wondering, what is this error? What does it mean? What can I do to fix it? So first of all, what the error is that the compressor fails to operate when it's supposed to operate. Then it will give you this error because it won't be able to heat up and dry. Now, there's kind of two things that could be going on here. One thing you can fix, the second thing you're almost definitely going to need a professional for, and I'll explain why in just a second. So it might be the wiring between the main control board and the compressor, so you would want to check that for anything loose, disconnected, damaged, frayed, etc., and replace and repair any wiring as necessary. Now, if all the wiring looks good, you're going to need to replace the compressor, the next step in the process. You really need to have this done by a professional, and the reason you need to have this done by a professional is because that involves emptying and then refilling the compressor with refrigerant, and you can't really do that. It's not safe or environmentally sound to try to do that on your own.